Hi Fanimals, welcome back to Fanimal Central, it's me Rebecca and welcome to this video of Glue Stick versus Soap Scum. And welcome to the wonderful world of voiceover. Let's start off with the glue stick method. So naturally, because I have no clue what I'm doing, there are tutorials in the description below. The technique I used was apply glue, wait for it to get tacky, powder it down and repeat. I did this 3 times. So I'm the type of person that doesn't wear a lot of makeup, so I really have no clue what I'm doing here. And this video will probably be the closest thing you will ever get to a makeup tutorial on this channel. Then I applied concealer and powdered it with foundation. Guys, this is what my parents think of my eyebrow.
What have you done?
Mum thought I shaved it! Didn't you? You thought I shaved
That's
it?
the sort of thing, Rebecca, you do.
Yes!
Oh my god. That's really good, isn't it? It's weird, but it's good. It's very weird.
And this is where
you can draw them on up here now.
Yeah, you can do like slug eyebrows now, love.
I could
Real
terrify
slug.
you.
Oh my god, that's really clever.
I opened the door and Mum went, "You idiot!"
What glue did you use?
Prick.
Moving on to the Soap Scum method. I actually learnt this technique from Victor Lockhart's channel, so go check out his video. I have to say, seeing myself without eyebrows for the first time was really freaky. Okay, so now I've got over the freak out phase of me not having eyebrows, here's the final verdict. So, glue stick on this eyebrow, I'm pointing to an eyebrow that doesn't exist. Glue stick on this side of my face, and Soap Scum method on this side of my face. So let's start off with how both techniques feel on your skin. The glue stick method feels like a shell over your eyebrow. So if you took a cup and put it on your hand, you would feel the rim of the cup, and you would have obviously the negative space of where the cup wasn't touching your skin. That's the best way I can describe it. It's a little weird, but I think if you're at a convention and you're busy, you really won't notice it. Whereas the Soap Scum method, I can't even feel it. You know, like, the only way I can feel it is by actually touching my eyebrow, and actually, it just feels like I've just shaven my eyebrow off, as you can tell by my mum's reaction. So I think out of the 2 methods, for comfort reasons, I think the Soap Scum method works better. So let's move on to difficulty. Out of the 2 techniques, I think the glue stick method is better just in the fact that you have something to grip onto and you're able to go like this and you've covered the entire eyebrow, whereas with the Soap Scum method you have a brush and you're doing this and you've got to make sure you coat all of the eyebrow. I've poked myself in the eye a couple of times and it's not fun when you have a soapy brush in your eye. Not fun. So I think the glue stick method wins on that one. And finally, which one lasts longer? I'll be putting information on my Twitter account, link is in the description below, so if you want to know the answer to this question, go check it out there. Okay Fanimals, that's it for this video. Thank you ever so much for watching. Please like, comment, hit that subscribe button, become one of our Fanimals, and remember, always be a Fanimal of your animals. Check out my Twitter and I'll see you next time. Bye guys! Now I can relax about not having eyebrows.